thing we're going to do today is say the Pledge of Allegiance together. So please stand with me, face your flag in your classroom, and place your right hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's menu includes pepperoni pizza pinwheel, triple jalapeno chicken sandwich, pizza bar, sub bar, salad bar, roasted potato wedges, fresh and chilled fruits. Tonight is our second night of parent-teacher conferences. This is an open house format from 4 to 7 p.m.
On November 7th at 9:30 a.m., there will be a Veterans Day Assembly in the main gymnasium with keynote speaker Mr. Ron Linenfelser.
Seniors, this is a reminder that the FAFSA is currently open, and this week, on the 6th, we are going to have a completion night in the library from 4 to 7. If you need help, now would be a great opportunity to get that help.
Upcoming Panther Time Meetings.
The next few slides are devoted to Panther Time meetings. This is a friendly reminder, though, that the library is always closed during Panther Time. Teachers, please do not send students to the library during Panther Time. Thank you. Seniors, you will have a very important meeting with Jostens today. You will meet in the auditorium during Panther Time. Band and choir members will meet in the band room for Panther Time. For those 8th graders interested in playing volleyball, you will meet in C223 during Panther Time. Gay Straight Alliance will have a meeting in C110 during Panther Time. The Red Ribbon Week Library Challenge winners are Nolan Belt and Bentley Threet. You can pick up your prize from Mrs. Leslie in the IMC. The answer to the library challenge was: the average yearly cost of vaping in the United States is about $3,900. We want to say congratulations once again to those students. There was over 150 of you who had first quarter perfect attendance. That means you did not miss a single class period and you never recorded a single tardy. That is amazing, and we are so proud of you. And as a way of showing congratulations, we offer a couple of rewards. 8th graders, you will receive a Panther Paw Store gift certificate for a free snack and a drink. You'll see Mrs. Mossman for that reward. 9th through 12th graders, you are going to receive a double off-campus lunch, and that's going to take place tomorrow, November 7th only. Even if you are marked as restricted currently, you still get to participate in this reward. Once again, congratulations, and we're so proud of you.
In the Media Center, Beyond the Bells tutoring program offers homework, quiz, and test assistance before school, Monday through Friday between 7:15 and 8:05 a.m., and after school, Monday through Thursday between 3:10 and 4:45 p.m. Snacks are available too. For more information, contact either Mrs. Lauren Calal or Mrs. Melanie Fessler.
The writing lab hours are 6th hour and 8th hour. The current focus is on college applications and the scholarship letters.
Don't forget to get your tickets for the variety show. Show times will be Thursday, November 13th and Friday, November 14th, 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets will be $5 a piece and will be available to purchase at the door. Each night is a completely different show. Come and enjoy. Blue Crew signups are still happening. Scan the QR code, fill out the survey, and pay Mrs. East in the main office. Remember, all Blue Crew members must have a new ID.
If you want to sign up for FCA, join the Remind code and the classroom code.
Don't forget to sign up for Niceness is Priceless. Simply add yourself to the Remind app and the Google Classroom. To join GSA, add yourself to the classroom code OJT64X3V. Have a fantastic day, Panthers. Let me leave you with a quote from Dwight Howard. Today is a new day. Even if you were wrong yesterday, you can get it right today.